So you can see that the center of these flowers here are just tapped in. I'm going to use mustard seed and a number 2 or 3 round, whatever you happen to have. And then we've got a little bit of depth here on the bottom edge, and that's just a little bit of Diox on the purple flowers and a little bit of mulberry, and then some vivid violet on the mauve flowers. So that's pretty straightforward. And you just tap it in, make them fit. Don't do anything weird like trying to make it round. That doesn't look normal at all. And now see how these little tints that we put in earlier really jump out when you start adding the same variety of colors in your piece. It's cute, cute, cute. And Diox just to make this pop a little bit on the bottom edge. And this really pulls out your purple tints that you placed in there earlier on your petals. Mulberry on the mauve flowers. Now that looks a little bit dull to me, so that's why when it's still wet I just want to tap in a little bit of the vivid violet. I think it makes it look a little bit cuter. Not so flat looking. There. So our last step with those little flowers, I'm going to use my 1/4 inch angular and cool white. I can hear Ralphie meowing in the background. He must want something. He's gonna have to wait. So just brighten up the edge of those petals with some cool white. Just tidies everything up, pulls it all together.